So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to review the Reno Duster from Sinsai Toys. So first of all, I hope that you all are fine. So let's begin with the review. So first of all, I have bought it for around 240 bucks, which is kind of okay, but I would like to say that please don't pay more than 270 to 280 bucks because it is not worth more than that. So first of all, if you will look from the side, then one thing you will noticing it is quite down from the front. Why I will tell you that also, because I have take out the axle and put it inside, that's why. So the wheel doesn't move at all. Obviously it moves like this, but if you will take the pull and pull like this. So one thing I would like to say about the pull and push motor, that it was okay, and over here is the Duster logo, and yes, the doors do open. Wait, I will show you. And obviously there is no steering because I have taken it out, and here was a man sitting over here. I have taken it out, which was looking really ugly, and the interior is kind of okay, nothing that to talk about. So this was all for the interior. From this side it looks nice, and over here on this cap I have kind of smoked it. It looks nice. So this is not kind of a modified one, and if you will look at from the front, it doesn't looks like Reno Duster that much, but still it matches little bit. So kind of okay from the front, because nothing to do, it's a Sensei product and they doesn't make quality products at all. They make cheaper products and kind of better. And over here is the mirror, which I have done it black, and the door pockets, door handles were also in white, but I have made them black. And over here I have outlined it, which looks really nice. And over here on the wheels, if you will see on the side wheel caps, they are in black. So one thing, if you will talk about the tail section, then from the tail section it looks nice, but what is this written? Wait guys, RXE, I don't know. So it is the Duster, and over here this is a sticker to export. Don't to you cannot see the back push motor from this, but this has a big hole, that's why this sticker has been given. So I have not take out this sticker. And then if you will see at the down, so one thing you all will be noticing, Sinsai Toys written over here, no exhaust pipes at all. Over here the bash plate looks nice. The front bash plate doesn't look that much good. I like it from this angle really nicely, but still the side profile looks really nice. And obviously it's a Duster, the front could be more better obviously, but Sinsai Toys didn't. Nothing can I do, you all do. So this was all for today's review. If you have liked this video, then do give a like to it, and I would like to say it is quite nice toy in the budget, but still the front end could be good. So bye guys, I will see you on the next video.